To fix a Rinnai Tankless water heater error code 15. Follow these steps. Error code 15 on a Rinnai Tankless water heater indicates a scaling issue within the heater. Scale buildup reduces the efficiency of the heater and can cause damage over time. First, turn off the power to the water heater at the circuit breaker or fuse box. Then, turn off the water supply to the heater by closing the valves on the cold water inlet and hot water outlet lines. Next, check the water filter for any debris or blockages. Remove and clean the filter according to the manufacturer's instructions. If the filter is damaged, replace it with a new one. After checking the filter, perform a descaling process on the heater. You can purchase a descaling solution or use a mixture of white vinegar and water to clean the heater. Connect a hose to the cold water inlet and immerse the other end in a bucket of descaling solution. Turn on the pump and let the solution circulate through the heater for several hours or overnight. Once the descaling process is complete, flush the system with clean water to remove any remaining solution. Turn on the power to the heater and check for any leaks. If the error code persists, it may be necessary to replace the heat exchanger or other components. It is essential to perform regular maintenance on your Rinnai Tankless water heater to prevent scaling issues. Check the water filter regularly and perform a descaling process every 6 to 12 months, depending on the water quality in your area. By following these steps, you can fix error code 15 on your Rinnai Tankless water heater and ensure it continues to run efficiently. If you are not comfortable with the process or if the issue persists, it is recommended to contact a professional plumber for assistance.